In the previous session we have seen about trapezoidal rule, which is a linear approximation. So whatever function we are given is divided into intervals, and each interval, the line joining each interval is assumed to be a straight line. So it is a complex curve. We are assuming a straight line between the two consecutive points, any two consecutive points. So that is the assumption in trapezoidal rule. So trapezoidal rule is a linear approximation. So if the given function has any quadratic or higher order terms, you will get an error. So as long as the given function is linear, you will get exact results using trapezoidal rule. So if there are any x square or x cube type of terms in the given function, you will get some errors. So the next approximation is Simpson's 1/3 rule. This is a quadratic approximation. And the other one is Simpson's 3/8 rule. This is ternary approximation. So here you'll be considering the given curve as a straight line, here as a parabola, here some x cube kind of curve. So we'll be considering at least 3 terms here. So we consider the general Taylor series expansion. This is a general term, and if you consider only the first term, you will get trapezoidal rule. So the Taylor series expansion, if you consider only the first term, you will get trapezoidal rule. And if you consider up to second term, you will get Simpson 1/3. if you consider the next term also, you'll get Simpson 3i. So if you put n is equal to 1, so this is h times y0 plus half h by 2 y0 plus y2. So this is the general term in trapezoidal rule. And if you put n is equal to 2, this term will become 0. You will be left with only these two terms. So you will be considering at least 3 points. So here you are considering 2 consecutive points and developing a straight line between them. Here to construct a parabola you need at least 3 points. And with 2 points you will never be able to construct a parabola. You require at least 3 points. So you are considering 3 points, x0, x1 and x2. So then you can construct a parabola. Okay, so put n is equal to 2. You get 2h y0 plus delta y0 plus 2 into 4 minus 3. 1 by 12, 2 by 12. This is what you will get. Times y0 y1 minus y0 plus the next term. So this is delta y0. You get delta y1 minus delta y0. So what is that? 2h times y0 plus y1 minus y0 plus delta y1 y2 minus y1 So I'm missing one 1/6 over here. One by six, so it is 1/6 y2 minus 2y1 plus y0. So 6y1 plus y2 minus 2y1 plus y0 by 6. This gets cancelled and you will be left with y1, 6y1. So it is h by 3 y0 plus 4y1 plus y2. So that is a general term for Simpson 1/3 rule. So this is the general term for Simpson 1/3 rule. So at a time you have to consider at least 3 terms: y0, y1 and y2. Okay, and if you put n is equal to 3, you get Simpson 3/8 rule. So it becomes integral x0 to x3 y dx. It is 3h times y0 plus 3 by 2 delta y0 plus 3 by 4 delta square y0 plus 1 by 8 delta cube y0. The same way, if you expand all these differences in this manner, you will get x times y0 plus 3 by 2 times y1 minus y0 plus 3 by 4 times y2 minus 2y1 plus y0 plus 1 by 8 times y3 minus 2y2 plus 3y1 minus y0. that is the total set. So we will be left with 3h by 8 y0 plus 3y1 plus 3y2 plus y3. So that is a general term for Simpson's 3/8 rule. From the general term, so if we add all these terms like from integral x0 to xn, so the general term for trapezoidal rule is that h by 2 y0 plus y1. So you have h by 2 y0 plus y1 plus h by 2 y1 plus y2 h by 2 yn minus 1 plus yn. So that is the total set. So it becomes h by 2 y0 plus yn plus 2 times y1 plus y2 plus etc. yn minus 1. So except for the first and last term, all other terms will be repeated twice. So here y1 twice, y2 comes twice. So except for first and last terms, all other terms will occur twice. So that is the trapezoidal rule total equation. And if you consider Simpson 1/3 rule, so you have h by 3 y0 plus 4y1 plus y2 plus h by 3 y2 plus 4y3 plus y4 plus etc. So all odd terms will get a quotient of 4 and all even terms will get a quotient of 2. And except for the first and last terms. So all you have is h by 3 y0 plus yn plus 4 times y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus 2 times y2 plus y4 plus all even terms. So for all odd terms you have a quotient of 4 and for all even terms a quotient of 2. For Simpson 3/8 rule, h by 8 y0 plus 3y1 plus 3y2 plus y3 plus 3h by 8 y3 plus 3y4 plus 3y5 plus y6, like that. So all you have is 3h by 8 y0 plus yn plus all multiples of 3 are occurring twice, so 2y3 plus y6 plus y9, and all other terms are occurring thrice, 3y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y6 y4 y5 plus etc. So all multiples of 3 will occur twice and all other terms will occur thrice. So that is the total formula for Simpson 3/8 rule. The programming part for Simpson 1/3 and 3/8 rules, we'll see in the next session.